So we just got back from Walmart and I wanted to show you guys the things that we ended up getting. So this will be like $100 grocery haul. Yeah, because the diapers were $25 and then the wipes were like $7. So anyway, tilapia,
Asking for the breakfast.
hot dogs,
Eggs, bacon, toast.
and I got these.
Oh, sorry.
These are like the Dippin' Dots. They're called itty bits. So
Oh, sorry.
these are the cookies and cream kind.
I don't want to see you throw this bottle, sir. Thank you. You did that.
I have 2 loaves of bread. We like the Sara Lee white with whole grain, and we also like the Sara Lee honey wheat bread.
Oh, honey, I forgot.
Seth likes these. He takes these to lunch.
This is for when breakfast and lunchtime Mama oodles the noodles does.
What?
Y'all don't know about that.
Say that? What?
Breakfast and lunchtime Mama oodles the noodles does. Like I grew up eating oodles and noodles.
Oh yeah,
Breakfast and lunchtime.
Yeah, but they wasn't in these. They wasn't.
No, it was ramen noodles.
There was the ones in the packs. Yeah, but we like these ones. And then I'm making stuffed shells tonight, so I had to get this. This is Prego Garden Chunky Tomato, Onion, and Garlic Sauce. Cinnamon Toast. I'm all over. And then Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Oh, I found this little home sign at Walmart. It was like $5 in their home decor section. I think this is really cute and rustic. It goes with like the rustic farmhouse style that I'm going for. Thomas's Bagels. This is the Quaker Oats fruit and cream oatmeal. The kids eat this for breakfast sometimes. Bless really loves this. Gatorade for Seth's lunch. Chicken wings, of course. So we like chicken, fried chicken, baked chicken, and chicken breast tenderloins. This is for our stir fry.
My honey does, listen, let me see.
And then
This is the best housewife ever. Let me see. Put it on me. My honey takes care of her house. Look.
These are cute.
Look at my honey.
I didn't show them this yet, but I will.
So, you know, I lays it down and my honey makes it happen. That's all that happened. So my honey got this nice curtain.
This is just a work in progress right now. I'm working on.
We're getting back to redecorating our house because we were kind of like we had these.
We were in a funk.
We had these for like what? We had these for like a year,
No,
2 years.
I put those right up when we moved in.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had them.
Oh yeah, I feel like you had them for a long time. Not this flower right here.
No, honey. No, I'm gonna put it somewhere else in the house, but it's not gonna be right here anymore. I'm moving all of this stuff.
I like that. It's a nice painting.
Okay. So I'm making this, y'all.
wiggly again. I lost one here, but now this one's wiggly, see?
It'll be the second tooth.
Yep. And when I smiled, it fell. Right now, I'm gonna watch a movie in my room. I have a TV. If you guys didn't see it, didn't show on camera. I have a TV. I got it when I turned 6, but I'm turning 7 on